can see, this rear shock has no dampening action at all. Alright, it's time to do something about this. We'll start by removing this tour pack. Now we can remove the side covers and seat. Now we can disconnect the battery and remove the airbox. Now we can jack it up and get the weight off the suspension. Now I'll loosen the top shock bolt, followed by the bottom one. I also had to remove the linkage to get the bolt out. I'll also be surfacing it while it's out. Well, that one's a little tighter than it should be. We're going to have to use a breaker bar. There it goes. Now we can remove the rear shock through the top. Now we can remove the shock linkage assembly for surfacing. Turns out this bolt was a little bit loose. That would explain all the play I had in this pivot. All the bearings seem to be fine, so I'm just going to repack them. Now we can reinstall the assembly. I got this used shock off of a newer bike. It should be better than the one I had. Let's bolt it in. Now we can just tighten everything down and it should be ready to go. We'll reinstall the airbox. Now we can reinstall the side covers. And of course the seat. Time to go test it out. what a great improvement. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on the Maker Hack Shack.